Will Alec Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes get into the spotlight? Attorneys went back and forth with the judge today. Prosecutors believe Murdaugh killed his wife and son over financial purposes. Our Brooke Butler joins us live now from outside the College County Courthouse. And Brooke, this all stems from an objection at the end of court yesterday.
Yeah, Riley, the defense objected to the prosecution asking a witness about whether or not he knew about Murdaugh's financial issues. It was a tense moment that led to a much bigger conversation.
Did you know anything about him being confronted on the morning of June 7th, 2021 about $792,000 of missing fees from his law firm?
Objection, Your Honor. It's totally improper.
Objection is overruled. Did you know anything about that?
No, I did not.
Before allowing the jury in the courtroom Thursday morning, Judge Newman explained to the defense why he overruled their objection on Wednesday. He said the objection had no legal basis and insisted they open themselves up to this line of questioning from the prosecution after seeking out character-type evidence from a previous witness, Rogan Gibson.
Can you think of any circumstance that you can envision, knowing them as you do, where Alec would brutally murder Paula Maggie?
Not that I can think of.
After this was established, Judge Newman asked for the jury to be brought in. The state then presented its first witness, who works with Snapchat. She reviewed this video Paul took on his phone about an hour before the murders. It shows Alec Murdaugh wearing different clothing from what he wore when investigators arrived at the murder scene later that night. The witness established that the video was taken at around 7:38 that evening.
It was sent on the same day, June 7th, 2021 at 7:56 hours Eastern Time.
After that, the judge instructed the jury to once again leave the room. The state then brought up Chief Financial Officer with Murdaugh's former law firm, Jean Seckinger. She explained in detail when and how she realized Murdaugh might be misappropriating funds. She told the courtroom she confronted Alec the day of the murders.
I went upstairs to his office is on the second floor, and he was leaning on a file cabinet outside his office. And he turned and looked at me when I came up and said, "What do you need now?"
She says she told Murdaugh she believed he had taken the missing money for himself and asked he provide proof he did not. The conversation only ended when Murdaugh got a call notifying him that his dad was in the hospital and it looked terminal. But the defense put some blame on the law firm, implying they should have noticed any financial issues earlier.
The information had been at your fingertips. Anything that was done in 2015, it was there. 16, it was there. 17, it was there.
That's right.
And so, Brooke, a final ruling was not made today on the financial crimes.
Yeah, Riley, that's right. The judge actually told the jury to come in a little late tomorrow so he can once again hear from the prosecution and the defense and make a final ruling on the matter. Riley.
All right, our Brooke Butler live from Walterboro tonight. Brooke, thanks so much.